Good morning, TIS, and this is your weekly update of our construction projects. We are standing in the middle of our Welcome Center, and we're so excited. Carpet has been pulled, walls have been painted. We're ready to move to lay new carpet and bring our new furniture in to welcome our new families here at the Independent School. We're standing in our training and recovery room. As you can see, all the lines have been capped, as well as down to the floor, cemented. We're ready to bring in some nice new flooring to put our new cold tubs, our new training tables, and our new athletic video equipment so that our kids are prepared for their activities. We also have a new washer and dryer hookup going in, and thank you to the great donations of our parents. We've got an upscale, first-class training and recovery room here at the Independent School. So our final project is the parking lot. We'll be restriping the parking lot with brand new paint so everything looks fresh and clean to start this school year. The Independent School, a school like no other, where you can be uniquely you, uniquely independent.